In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your Phantom wallet to Raydium. This process is quick, simple, and essential for anyone diving into the expansive world of decentralized finance. So let's dive right in. First off, open up your web browser. It could be Chrome, Firefox, or any other browser you prefer to use, as long as it's one you're comfortable navigating. In the search bar at the top, you'll need to type in the following web address: raydium.io. That's raydium.io. Once you've done that, hit enter. This will guide you directly to Raydium's user-friendly, web-based platform. As soon as you land on the home page, your next move will be to find the Connect Wallet button. Typically, this button is conveniently located in the top right corner of the web page, so it should be quite easy to spot. Go ahead and click on that button. Now, once you click Connect Wallet, a pop-up window is going to appear. This window will present you with several wallet options to choose from. Don't worry if you see a few different names popping up. Simply look down the list and select Phantom. Clicking on Phantom will prompt another action. Here's where you need to give your permission to connect. Your Phantom wallet will ask for your approval to connect to the Raydium site. This is a standard security measure to ensure you're actively allowing this interaction. You'll see an option to click Connect. Simply hit that button to approve the connection. And just like that, you're connected. You've successfully linked your Phantom wallet to Raydium, allowing you to start exploring everything the platform has to offer. It's truly that straightforward. Before we wrap up, here's a quick pro tip for you. Always make sure to keep a little bit of SOL, which is Solana's native cryptocurrency, in your wallet. It's essential because it covers transaction fees whenever you're making moves within the Solana blockchain network. This tip is especially handy as it ensures that your trading and transactions proceed smoothly without any unexpected hiccups. There you have it, a quick and comprehensive guide to connecting your Phantom wallet to Raydium. I hope this walkthrough has been helpful and got you linked up effortlessly. Happy trading, and until next time, take care and stay curious.